The 2007 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.